This is the first speech of the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He said, "I don't want my photograph in your offices because I am not neither a god nor I am an icon. I am just a servant of the nation. Instead, hang pictures of your children and look at them whenever you make decision. And if the temptation to steal ever arises, take a good look at your family's picture and ask yourself if they deserve to be the family of the thief who has betrayed the nation." Ang ganda naman ng speech ng former President Roa Duterte. Ganito sana ang gawin ng ating mga pangulo, ang ating bayan.